Savannas of Africa where they're found. If there is a flock of birds that's flying overhead, generally speaking, birds feel safety in numbers. So they're going to look for other birds down on the ground as a safe place to rest. So if a group of birds is flying overhead and they see the caracal flicking those ears back and forth, it looks like the movement of birds' wings. So they're attracted to that movement. See how the ears stand out in colors? They're the only part of them that's black. And in fact, caracal is a Turkish word that means black ears. So the caracal will stay very still. Just walk for me, okay, buddy? And flick those ears back and forth. The birds are very attracted to that. Fly down. And the caracal will stay really still until the birds are overhead. They can jump up into the flock, 10 to 12 vertical feet, and they'll take down multiple birds in a single leap. The record for a caracal number of birds in a single leap is 12. What they do is they jump up and they'll bat their front paws really quickly, stunning all of these birds at once. They get knocked, fall down to the ground, and then the caracal can grab them. Really impressive hunters and amazing leaping abilities. We use this lure toy here to help demonstrate their jumping, as well as provide Caston with some good exercise and mental stimulation. The trick is having him release the toy when he's done catching it, because that's a natural instinct of a cat to sort of covet what they've caught. So we will do a trade. He releases the toy, he gets reinforced for that with a nice meatball. That's what we feed him in captivity. We don't feed live food or birds. He gets a very high quality lean raw beef diet. And we also give a mouse and a fish once a week, but again, freshly thawed. We don't feed live food. It can have parasites or bacteria that can make our animals in captivity sick, so we don't want to take that risk. It's not necessary for his health to receive live food. So he likes his freshly thawed mice and fish just the same. He also gets some kibble in the morning. It's got some good vitamins for him as well, and it's a good breakfast. Now Caston is 7 years old, and they typically live to be about 15 to 20 in captivity. He came from a facility in North Carolina when he was just a couple months old, and Kim here is one of 4 trainers that have been working with him ever since he was young. Hi folks, welcome to our 2:30 Animal Encounter. You're more than welcome to join us on this portion of the lawn or stay on the pathway there. Sometimes Caston will play so hard at this location we actually have to kind of make him take a little break with some water that we bring with him. He really enjoys playing so much. Now, there's something I should tell you about the caracal, and this is why we're pretty strict about where our guests are standing and where we sort of set this up here at the Heart of Africa. As cute as he looks, being on this harness and leash and having a great bond with his trainer Kim, you are actually looking at arguably the most aggressive species of cat of all 37. All 37. They have been known to defend their territory from cats as large as lions, predators as big as lions. When you talk about an animal having a fight versus flight response, are you familiar with that term? When there's a confrontation, animals generally have a choice. Do I stick around and fight and defend myself?